To use a Venmo debit card, you first need to activate it. Start by opening the Venmo app and navigating to the Venmo debit card section. Tap on the card and select Activate Card. You will be asked to provide the last 4 digits of the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Once activated, you can use your Venmo debit card to make purchases online or in stores. The card is linked to your Venmo account, so you can use the funds in your account to make purchases. To make a purchase, simply swipe or insert your card and enter the PIN you created during the activation process. You can also use your Venmo debit card to get cash from an ATM. To do this, navigate to the Venmo app and select Get Cash. Choose the amount you want to withdraw and select the ATM from which you want to withdraw the cash. You will be given a code to enter at the ATM to complete the transaction. To manage your Venmo debit card, you can use the Venmo app to track your spending, view your balance, and freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. You can also use the app to set up notifications to alert you to transactions and low balance. Warnings. It is essential to keep your Venmo debit card and account information secure. Use a strong PIN and keep your account information private. Regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can easily activate and use your Venmo debit card to make purchases, get cash, and manage your account. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your activity to ensure safe and convenient transactions.